we have had today our Innovation and Pintxos and Tapas the Open Day in Mondragon Assembly. We organized this as a side event of the EU-PVSec conference that was happening in Bilbao. For us, it was a great opportunity. We were playing at home and we thought, okay, what can we do happening here in Bilbao? Some gathering, we can bring the people to our home and we can show them what we are able to do. And we decided, okay, let's prepare an open day. We were thinking that maybe 30, 50 people were going to come, but we were overwhelmed by all the people that were inscribed. So we had like 200 people inscription. We don't have room for so many people, so we need to narrow down to 100 people to our open day. It's a pity for those that have been not able to come. You know, we are a welcoming company. You can come anytime in the future. Just contact us and we will make room for you. So tonight we have been able to see 4 different machines. One laminator, one stringer that is doing soldered strings, one string that is doing ECA strings, one labo stringer that is able to manufacture any kind of technology there. So it's a showcase of the machines, of the technology we are able to develop here in Mondragon Assembly. So I think that it was a very interesting evening. I hope that everybody had a good image of what we are doing and hope to see you here in the next time.